creative thought formed by electromagnetic activity in the brain is the most advanced part of a universal process of continuous energy exchange that can be explained by physics. This might sound odd that physics can explain consciousness, but the potential for creative thought must have existed in the universe from the very beginning of time for consciousness to have been able to evolve within the universe. Therefore, it is only logical that consciousness and creative thought is based on a physical process that is universal and spontaneous within the universe. In this theory, the continuous and spontaneous process is formed by light waves of electromagnetic radiation. Because the universe is never at absolute zero, everything is radiating light waves of electromagnetic radiation continuously. If our eyes were more sensitive to the light, we would be able to see this universal and spontaneous process. Consciousness sees and feels this spontaneous process of continuous energy exchange, formed by the forward momentum of light, as the flow of time itself. In this theory, everything creates its own time by slowing down the rate that time flows, forming a curvature of space-time relative to its own energy or mass. Therefore, we have Einstein's theories on relativity, and because this is a totally universal and interactive process, conscious thought is always in the moment of now as the most advanced part of this universal process. With each new photon oscillation of light from the center of its own reference frame, turning the possible into the actual, the atoms of the hand and eye will collapse the waves of light into photon energy, just like any other object, creating their own future. In this theory, it is not just beauty that is in the eye of the beholder, but creation itself. One of the most amazing things about consciousness is that an experience in your life, an emotion that you feel, a thought that you have, can be turned into a biological, physical reality by your brain. The dynamic process explained in this video explains the physical structure that this creative process of personal consciousness can be based upon. Therefore, each life form will be at the center of their own reference frame, being able to look back in time in every direction at the beauty of the stars,